If you are a student and you want to save a lot of time, then you need to use these 5 AI tools. Our first AI tool is your notebook LM. So what you can do in this, like you just upload your document, your PDF, and then go in chat section where you can generate questions or voiceover. I already uploaded a Python book where I told him to generate 20 questions, and this AI tool gave it to me. But the main part is you can also generate the summary of the PDF in voice, in video. For example, I show you there is lot of option: audio overview, video overview, slide decks, flashcards, quiz, infographic, and reports. You can just need to upload your PDF, and this AI tool complete your 80% of work, and it make your learning more easier than you think. The next one is our Perplexity. If you are a student from research background and you read lot of article in a day, then Perplexity save your lot of time. What you need to do, just come on Perplexity, just type your topic and send it. This AI tool automatically research the whole thing and give you the final answer. But when he give you the whole research, he also mention from which platform he give the information. It also help you to save your lot of time. You don't need to go through Google and read every single research. The next is Gamma AI. This AI is more useful than you think. If you are give lot of presentation and you spend 2 to 3 days in lot of PPTs, then this Gamma AI tool help you a lot. You just need to give a single prompt and you can generate PPT under 5 minutes or in 5 minutes. For an example, look at this PPT. I think so it's not that much visible, but look at this PPT is generated just in a single prompt. So this AI tool also save you a lot of time. If you are guy who give a lot of presentation and make PPTs, then it save your time and you can also earn through it. In college, there are a lot of students who give presentation but they cannot have that much time to create PPT. But you can generate just in a prompt and give them and earn some amount of money. The next is the fourth AI is as important as like Gamma, because this AI tool you cannot just create PPT, you can create your imagination. Like if you have something in your mind that you cannot present, but you if you type on this and give him the task, then he create a particular images, then this AI create image of that thinking. You just need to type your thing here and you can use that image in your presentation or in your notes. The next and final, the quoted one is your ChatGPT. I don't want to tell you what the ChatGPT can do or cannot do. The ChatGPT is an all-rounder AI, the king of AIs. Why I tell you this thing? Usually people just ask for research, but you cannot know. You can literally create projects in this app. You not avoid this, but if you create project like new project, click on new like if you create a project, like if you are from CS background, then this chat gpt save your lot of times. For an example, you are building a project, then there is a option for projects where you click and create, where you click and create a new project, and you can do your whole coding work, research work, and doesn't matter what work you do, you can particularly create a project for every work. And that's why I suggest you ChatGPT in this video. So this is the whole video, and this is the all 5 AI tools that I recommend to students. Now I hope you like this video. So these are 5 AI tools that I think you need to know. Now you can use these 5 AI tools and save you a lot of times. Bye.